Welcome back, everyone, to another great episode right here on the channel, Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, man, we are rebuilding the block on the 4.7 liter V8. We're installing the crank, we're installing the pistons. Man, you guys are in for a treat, so stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. As I said, we're throwing together this 4.7 liter V8 engine block for the 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Man, I can't wait to get this thing done. But hey, just like I told my son, okay, this channel is for beginners to expert ranges, okay? And I've been in the trade for over 22 years, okay? Not everyone rebuilds a block, guys. So if you feel overwhelmed, if it feels too much, hey, don't worry. Hit these guys up right here because it's going to save you up to 75% on your next automotive repair bill if you go to an automotive repair shop. If you're doing it yourself, well, strap in, guys. Sit back in your chairs. Make sure you have a nice big soda. Come on, who's watched Black Sheep before? Huh? Tommy boy? Nothing? Alright, whatever. Alright, well, if you guys have any questions about the video, make sure you leave it in the video description down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell icon as well. That way you get notified of all my future DIY auto repair videos in the future. Let's get into it, guys. Hey guys, there you have it. Wow. Just wow, right? The crank's in, the pistons are in, we got all the connecting rod caps on and torqued. Man, this thing is just piece one after another, after another, after another. I actually had my younger brother helping me with this. Well, actually, he was watching me do it because he's never worked on a vehicle before. He's never done an engine swap nor an engine rebuild, and you know, it's just cool to have him there with me. We were jamming out to some music while rebuilding the engine. And yes, it takes countless hours. And if you're a mechanic, you know, just like I do, how OCD you have to become when doing one of these rebuilds. I mean, everything has to be right back in the spot you took it from. If you're replacing with new stuff, then you have to prep the old stuff to go with the new stuff. And, you know, everything has to be clean and great and thrown back together and torqued down and RTV added and Loctite added. And there's just countless things. But right here on the channel, I want to help you guys walk through this stuff, make it easy for yourselves. That way you understand it just like a mechanic would that works on this stuff every single day. So guys, thank you so much for checking out another great video here on the channel. I'm Zachary, and until next time, guys, hey, keep on wrenching. Take care.